Hi, my name is Mohammad Afzal and I'm here to teach you how to using advanced conditional formatting. Here my table, employee code, name and salary. Among these, we you first select the whole table from E009 to last cells of the salary 4500, then click on the conditional formatting, new rule, use the formula to determine which cells to format, then put a formula in the formula bar just equal to, I mistakenly typed this, backspace, then equal to n, bracket open, select first cells of the salary column, then remove fix to type F4 twice greater than equal to 12,000 comma, then again select first cells of the salary column, then greater than equal to 25 less than equal to 25,000 bracket close. Now here I give them formatting, just click on the formatting button. This here I select the font red, okay, then I again click on the format button, use the field color yellow to show the clearly, click on the OK button. Here the three row highlighted Danish, Pawan and Aris because his salaries is between 12,000 to 25,000. So thanks to watching us. Simplex mind and subscribes for more video.